Now let's look at this figure 23-17. And we're calculating the option of calculation for a school. And we're using 220.56, which refers us to table 220.56 to determine how we would determine really the VA per square foot. Now, at the very top of the boxed in calculation, we pick up the total VA of the school, which is 801,693 VA. And then, of course, down at the bottom, we have a classroom area of 30,000. We have an auditorium of 5,000. We have a cafeteria area of 3,000. And then we have a hall area of 1,000. And that's square foot. Now, when we take step one and total all that square footage, we come up with 39,000. So we have 39,000 square foot. Now, to determine in step two the VA per square foot, we have to reference our table 220.86. And the VA per square foot, total VA divided by the total square foot. So the VA per square foot is 8,100. 693 VA divided by 39,000. So the VA per square foot is 20.55623. So dropping down now to step three, we have the application of the demand factors, table 220.86. The first three VA divided by the square foot at 100%. The next 17 0.55623 at 75%. 3 VA times 39,000 square foot times 100% is 117,000 VA. 17.55623 VA times 39,000 square foot at 75% is equal to 513,519.72 VA. Totaling the two together, we come up with 630,519.72 VA. So the solution is, and the answer, the demand factor in VA for the school is 630,519.72 VA, and that's exactly what this figure 23-17 is illustrating to the designer using the NEC.